When comparing FL Studio and Logic Pro Tanks, it really comes down to your workflow style, music genre, and platform preference. Both are professional-grade DAWs, but they approach music creation in different ways. Starting with FL Studio, this DAW is famous for its loop-based, pattern-oriented workflow. It's extremely popular among electronic music producers, hip-hop beatmakers, and anyone who loves a visual, grid-based way of arranging music. The step sequencer is a key feature, letting you quickly lay down drum patterns or melodic loops without touching traditional notation. FL Studio also comes with a wide variety of virtual instruments and effects, plus lifetime free updates, meaning you'll never pay for a new version once you own it. The interface is customizable and the mixer is powerful, but it can take a bit of time to master due to its unique layout. The big advantage here is speed for beat production and flexibility for looping creativity. On the other hand, Logic Pro Tanks is more traditional in layout and leans heavily toward recording, arranging, and producing full tracks from start to finish. It's favored by singer-songwriters, composers, and bands who need advanced audio editing tools, scoring features, and tight hardware integration. Logic Pro Tanks comes with a huge sound library, professional-grade instruments like Alchemy, and robust MIDI editing capabilities. Its Live Loops feature now brings in a clip-based workflow similar to FL Studio, giving you the best of both worlds. However, it's only available on macOS, so Windows users are out of luck. In terms of performance, Logic Pro Tanks integrates deeply with macOS, so it's optimized for stability and efficiency on Apple hardware. FL Studio is cross-platform, working on both Windows and Mac, though many long-time users prefer it on Windows for performance reasons. Pricing is also a factor. Logic Pro Tanks is a one-time purchase with free updates for years, while FL Studio has different editions depending on the features you need, but also offers free lifetime updates. If your focus is beat making, quick loop creation, and electronic music, FL Studio might feel more intuitive. If you want advanced recording, scoring, and full track production with tight Mac integration, Logic Pro Tanks will likely be the better fit. In the end, both can produce professional results. It's all about which one feels more natural to your style of making music.